Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you a new and amazing website that enables you to create professional designs even if you are a beginner in print-on-demand business or you don't have any design experience. Because that website provides you with a lot of super professional templates to make your beautiful designs in any topic, in any niche. In addition, you're gonna get your designs with a commercial license, which means you can upload them directly to your print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, Spreadshirt, and so on and so forth. And there is another icing on the cake, that is you can start working in this website for free without any charge on you. And now let me show you that website in question. Let's see. This website is called kettle.com. You'll find here, as I said before, you'll find a lot of different templates for any niche, for any topic. So you can edit these templates to make your exquisite designs, okay? Thus, you have first to sign up here. So come over here, this green button, click over that, sign up for free, as I said before, sign up. And here you can enter your details like name, email, and password, okay? And I use today a temporary email like this one. Okay, copy back to our website, name like, okay, your email, password, very easy, and just create free account. Okay, perfect. Welcome to this website. Get started. What describes your best freelancer, hobby designer, or any other one? Freelancer. What will be using Kettle for? Like for social media, logos and branding, advertising, product design. An example. What's your main design tool? So you can select this one, Canva, okay, and choose your design. And therefore you have to select one of these templates to try website features and to know how to deal with these templates, okay? So we can select one of these templates like this one, okay? Hi Joshua, I'm wishing you a lovely day. So click over that. Okay, just skip tour. Perfect. And therefore you can start editing this template to create your beautiful design. And firstly and foremost, if you select any of these elements, whether it is graphic or text, you will find right here some editing tools of that element. For example, if you select this one, this text, high text, you will find right here some editing tools of that text. Like you can change its color from here, okay? You can change this one to yellow. You can change this color to black, and this yellow color to yellow, and so on and so forth, okay? And of course you can change its opacity from here as well, okay? And here you can change its font. So click over this arrow and you will find a bunch of premium fonts. So you can change this font to any of these beautiful fonts like this one, Pangers, okay? Beautiful. And of course you will find here a variety of font styles like sans serif, serif, display, script, and so on and so forth. Or you can upload your custom font, your external font, and this feature is unlocked for the pro subscription, and the pro subscription has some features. You don't need them though, okay? Just upload this window and then you can change its font style, this font weight, okay, like regular, variable, and so on and so forth. Here you can change font size. You can make it bigger or smaller, okay? As you see here, or make it bigger. You can type here your number like 200, okay? Letter spacing. You can make some spaces between letters, okay? Perfect. Its alignment. You can make it to the left, to right, to the middle, and so on, okay? Here you can add some glyphs, okay? As here to your text, like this one, it will be added to your text, okay? Okay, close it. And then in this transformation, you can add an effect to your text or a transformation of your text, like can distort it, okay, or curve it, curvation, okay, angle, as you see, arch, and of course you will find some points Just you can pull one of them, as you see, to transform your text, as you see. Okay, rise, wave, or flag. Or you can make your custom transformation by this option. Click over that, and here you can just pull this point up here, and you can pull this point down here, and you can transform your text upside down, and you can change your text. Okay, and when you are done with this transformation, just to confirm your option. Okay, so you can make it rise, okay, and just confirm. Perfect. And you'll find here edit transform this button if you want to change this transformation later. Okay, perfect. And of course we can change its text like this one. Okay, so let's try another one like this, Joshua. Okay, you'll find here a default transformation, and of course as the previous one you can change its settings like color, font, and alignment, and of course you can change its transformation to another one. So you can edit transform, okay, and you can change this default transformation option to flag or wave and so on and so forth. Okay, just to confirm. And the same for any graphic of this template, like this one, okay, this flower, just you can change its colors. Okay, perfect. And then you will find below some layers. It's as if you are working on a professional software like Photoshop or Illustrator. Your design and your template consist of some layers of elements, okay, like textures, like some graphics, like some text, okay, as you see, to edit it individually, okay, as you see. And in this background, just you can click over that from this layers, or you can just click over that layers. Then you can change the background color. From here you can turn it white or red, black, as you want, and you will find a texture. So you can change its texture or you can remove it. Just you can release the texture first, and you can change it or you can remove it by deleting it. Okay, perfect. And here is another question comes up. If you want to add something to your template like graphic or text, how to do that? You will find in this left panel some options like this one, designs. Just you can replace your current template to another template if you find this template is not suitable for your idea or your niche or your design. Okay, and you will find here a lot of templates, a lot of super professional templates. Okay, and here in this text you can add your text, okay, like this one, add a headline, okay, or you can change one of these beautiful fonts. Okay, so you can add headline, as you see, and of course you can edit it as you want, from color, alignment, font, and transformation as well. Okay, so can delete it. Okay, perfect. And then in this elements, here you can add shapes, okay, or illustration or ornaments to your template or your design. So as for shapes, you can add any of these shapes, these banners, basic shapes like circle, triangle, square, pages, okay, panels, as you see. So we can search for circle, for example, circle. You'll find a lot of circle shapes, okay, as you see. Just drag and drop that, and it will be added to your template and your design. Okay, and of course you can change its color. Okay, well, remove it. Ornaments, the same as shapes. Illustration, here you will find over 6,000 different illustrations to make your design more attractive and more professional, as you see here. Okay, depending on your niche and your topic. Perfect skulls with a commercial license. So we can search for hand, for example, as you see, hand, and you'll find here different hands to use on your design. Okay, perfect. And then in this option you can upload any graphic, any illustration from your device, okay, to use on your template and your design. And this textures, if you want to change your textures that we have removed, so you can add your texture as you want. Okay. And when you are done with your design, as you see, from texts and graphics and background, okay, so just you can go to this one, download, perfect, with these dimensions, and then you can select this one, remove background, perfect, and select its format, PNG or JPG, so we can select this one, PNG, perfect, and you'll find your design will be downloaded to your device. Okay, well, and if we have a look at the subscription plans of this website, so click over this icon, subscription. Well, here you will find a free plan where you can work on different 10 projects. You can export your designs with transparent PNG with a commercial license, as I said before. Okay, and here to take the benefit of Kettle.com for free, just you can depend on unlimited temporary emails. Okay, and now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.